In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar event in Microsoft Teams. This is an amazing way to keep your entire team on the same page, ensuring everyone knows exactly what's happening and when. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign in to Microsoft Teams. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In option. You'll then need to enter your Microsoft account details to proceed. If you're already logged in, no worries. You'll be directed straight to your Teams homepage, ready to take the next steps. Now that you're in Teams, head over to the Calendar view. On the left-hand navigation panel, you'll see a calendar icon. Go ahead and click it. This is where all your scheduled meetings, events, and tasks are displayed, giving you a comprehensive view of what's lined up. It's a handy feature that helps track everything efficiently. Next, you'll want to select a date and create your event. Pick the specific date you have in mind by clicking directly on it. This will open up a window for a new event. Here, you can start by entering a clear, descriptive event title. Think of this title as a headline that allows your team to understand immediately what the event is about at first glance. Moving along, it's time to invite your team. In the event window, head over to the People section to decide who should be on the invitation list. You can either search for specific names if you have certain individuals in mind, or if it's an event intended for the entire team, simply select everyone. This will save you a ton of time and ensures no one gets left out of important meetings or events. With everything looking good, the next step is to save the event. Typically, you'll find the Save button either at the bottom or on the right-hand side of your screen. Clicking Save will officially add the event to your calendar. Moreover, it sends out notifications to all your selected team members, keeping everyone in the loop. Finally, if you want to make sure the event is easy to find and access, click the Copy Link button. You can paste this link into an email, a chat, or any other communication tool that your team uses. This feature makes it remarkably simple for everyone to access the event and add it to their own calendars. And that's it. You've successfully created a shared calendar event in Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you'll keep your team more organized and informed. It's all about working together like a well-oiled machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick tech tips. Happy scheduling!